Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. This is your girl Saher. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well, inshallah. In today's video, as you read by the title, there is nothing much to discuss but share my happiness with you guys. Yes, basically, my husband gifted me an iPhone. It was an upgrade from my old phone. My old phone was giving me kind of a bit problems, but it was not in our plan to buy anything this particular month, but he kind of took it on him and surprised me, and it was him who was filming the entire thing. So for his sake, I'm uploading it. I was very reluctant and I thought it might kind of look like showing off, but he was like, no, you always share your happiness, so share this one as well if you think it's an happiness, of course. So that's why I wanted to shoot an intro, because that day we just went to the mall randomly and we had no plans as such to shop anything. We just wanted to kill some time because my husband was on leave, and yeah, earlier in the day he took us to Glenn's Bakehouse, and we had such nice time, which you guys saw in the previous video. So yeah, basically that's what we did, and we were just going in the mall. And yeah, first you guys see the clips and then I will come and talk to you and not eat your head. So if you're new to the channel, please do make sure you subscribe, like and comment. And yeah, I'll roll over the clips and then come and talk to you guys.
And the C 40 GPS plus cellular 40 same size.
It's GPS and cellular together?
Yes, together.
How much is that pricing?
34,900.
चलेगा. Hey, congratulations, Baba.
Thank you. चाय निकलेगा. ये मुझे दिखाओ.
ठहरो ठहरो, मैं बोलती हूँ.
Inside will be sealed.
ये
मैं आ रही हूँ.
नहीं.
पचका. ग्रैंड पचका.
ये गवार इंसान.
ग्रैंड पचका.
बाहर. That's the most important thing.
That much I know. I'm not a dum dum. ठहरो ना, इधर सेटअप कर रही.
Done?
So iPhone के अलावा I needed an Android phone, and I was thinking of picking the Google Pixel 7, or I was thinking of picking the OnePlus 10. But then I wanted to do that next year around. मेरे फ़ोन में जो बैटरी का होता है ना, बैटरी का जो ऑप्शन होता है, मैं यहाँ पे पिक्चर लगा दूंगी. अभी ये फ़ोन में 100% है, उसमें 65% कुछ हो गया था, एंड आई हैड टू सर्विस माई बैटरी. तो कभी आई थिंक सम टाइम बैक वी हैड enquired about that, and they had said कि anywhere between 5,000 to 7,000 rupees लगेंगे. And I was so busy that I couldn't go and get that service, get the mobile service. So I was like, talofying for, I was just procrastinating as usual for the next year. And yeah, I was just telling my husband that I will first buy an Android phone because मुझे ज़रूरत है मेरे YouTube के काम के लिए, and iPhone will not serve me the purpose because I want to keep my iPhone very personal, in the sense I just want to take pictures and everything, but want to use the Android phone for other things like YouTube things, editing and all of that. जैसे हम enter करते हैं ना, this is one side you have the I imagine the iPhone ka store, and one side you have the OnePlus ka store. So I was telling my mom about it, and I was walking from there, and my then my husband was like, you know what, let's go to the iPhone store. And the thing was कि जब हम लोग iPhone store गए, I was in the assumption कि we always go inside and we like which watch we want to buy in the future, which laptop we want to buy in the future. Typical Indian behavior we always do. And my husband was the one who wanted to upgrade to an iPhone 14 and a watch, but it was not me. I was set कि मैं next year ये खरीदूंगी, next year ये करूंगी, next year वो करूंगी. So yeah, that was how it was. And then he bought it just like that. I was in a shock. Almost half an hour I was in a total shock because I couldn't fathom what was happening. And then he got me the phone, and not only did he get me the phone, he got me the watch. So initially he was asking which phone I want to buy, and I hate the iPhone 14, 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max because I've heard such bad reviews. थोड़े लोगों को the phone has been working fine, but for some people the phone has been giving glitches, the glare, the all of that. So I was not wanting iPhone 14 Pro Max. My husband was trying to convince me to buy the latest version, but I was like, no, I don't want iPhone 14 Pro Max. I either want iPhone 13 Pro or the new one that will come in the next year. So he got me the watch as well, and he told me to buy the AirPods as well, second gen. But मैं खरीदी नहीं at because honestly, you guys, I don't listen to music that much. I barely use it. There are 3 to 4 headphones and headsets and earpods and everything at home. Not the iPhone earpods, but the other AirPods, the other earbuds. I could say the other earbuds at home, and I'm not using them. They're just lying there, and I didn't want him to spend another 25 grand on something that I will not make use of. I said, keep that money. Maybe I'll buy myself a camera next year or something. So this is how we came to the thing. And I wanted to keep this video so small and simple, but I have so much to talk and I love talking, so I'm sharing my happiness with you guys. That's it, and I hope you guys love this video. Please do give me a lot of love, and yeah, that's about it. I will see you guys in the next one. You guys take care, stay safe.